Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can work on remote task for beginners. First up, open your browser and go to remotask.com. So as you can see here, the main website. So what is Remote Task? So Remote Task is a new side hustle platform where you can get paid to complete short tasks online. Now, if you want to get started here, as you can see the main website, so now join a community of 240,000 plus taskers and $15 million total earnings and 90 plus countries available. How it works, as you can see, do task, get paid, it's that simple. So learn easily, learn how to do tasks with our Kick online courses or free hands-on training, and complete tasks, work on task form projects you've unlocked, and get paid weekly, get paid fast via PayPal or ATM based on your quality and number of tasks completed. So to get started, you just need to click on the Start Earning Today button right from here. Now you'll be taken into the login page. So basically we have to wait for a few seconds here. So if you have an account, you just have to log in with your email and your password. So as you can see right from here, log into Remote Task. So enter your email and then your password, and then click on the login button, or you can basically continue with Facebook or Google. Now, if you are a beginner and you want to create a new account, you just have to click on the sign up button right here at the bottom. So once you click on sign up, as you can see here, you just have to check this box. I agree to the terms of service and EUDPA. Basically, you just have to read all of the terms of service here. And then you have two options if you want to connect your Facebook or Google. So in this case, I'm going to connect my Google account. Now I'm going to choose my account right here and then click on continue. Now once you click on continue, again, scroll down and then click again this continue button. So once you've signed in, as you can see here on this page or on the next page, you have to verify actually your account. So to verify your account, as you can see, to use Remote Task, first verify your account by adding a phone number. Please disable your VPN while completing this process. Okay, so I'm going to enter my mobile number here and then click next. So verify your account. So here we need to enter the 6-digit verification code that was sent to your phone number via SMS. And then enter the verification code right here and then click on the verify button at the bottom right. So as you can see, verification succeeded and you'll be prompted into your dashboard. So as you can see, your dashboard. Now, before you take and start tasking, so I suggest to complete your profile. So go to your account, complete your profile to potentially unlock new projects and task types, okay? So go and click this your account button. And as you can see, my account or info is incomplete. So I'm going to complete my profile first. So click on the complete profile button right from here. And then on the next page, you just need to enter your legal name. So make sure that you enter correct name or address or details, your phone number, your email, so just like that. And then click on the continue button right here at the bottom middle of your screen. Once you click on continue, then on the next page, you just need to confirm. And as you can see, we need to verify your identity. So start verification. So basically you need your legal ID or official ID, maybe your driver's license or your national ID right from here. So click on begin verifying. So click on this button. And then on the next page, as you can see, we require a photo of a government ID from Philippines to verify your identity. So please be aware that you will have 3 attempts to do so. So you just have to choose the following options. So I'm going to choose this one. And here you can use your computer to take a photo for your ID or continue to another device. And then here you can continue on another device using the SMS. So send SMS here and send you some link to verify your ID. And from here, just need to enter your phone number, click continue, and then check your device. We've sent a secure link to your number. Return to this page after you finish submitting the photos. So there you have it. Verification is succeeded. So if you're going to your profile here, you can basically complete your profile. Having a more complete profile will help you get matched with more projects. And you can connect your LinkedIn profile, and you can also add your resume right here with PDF format. So as you can see, I have verified my LinkedIn. Next, I'm going to verify my payment method. So if you're using PayPal or AirTM, just click on the connect button, enter your email, confirm email, and then connect your PayPal account to your remote task account. So once done, go back to dashboard. So as you can see right here, you can now start taking a task. So you just have to click on the start tasking right from here. So once you click on that, you will find a task, but unfortunately, in my case, I don't have a task yet, so it's currently empty. So you just have to wait until you can get some task. And also, you can just click a learn more button to earn more with Remote Task Elite. So you can just take a look some of the information. And then you can go to onboarding center, and here you can browse projects and take some trainings. So take note that training here on Remote Task is very essential, and there are a lot of variety of tasks or jobs here on Remote Task. So each of them has different trainings of their own, so you can get accustomed to the kind of job or task that you want to partake here on Remote Task. And it takes a time when you're getting into training. As you can see on certification exams, you can get some exams to basically get more projects. So for example, you just need to select right here and your training will begin. So yeah, so you just need to wait until you get some task on Remote Task. And that's how you can simply manage or create your account on Remote Task. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.